Welcome back to my channel. This is Future Jessica. I forgot to record an intro, so thanks for joining me. And here's a short video of this week's diary entry. One of the things people don't know about owning a business is that it comes with a lot of emotional ups and downs. People see a lot of the smiles, the wins, but people don't always share the losses or the fact that you can go through bouts of depression or times that your social meter just won't go all the way up to the top. And you want to just turn into yourself and not exist. And you want to cry. But you got to keep a smile on your face and keep pushing. I personally have been going through that for the last couple of weeks. That's why I've been not posting that much. But I thought I'd just come and let you guys know why I sort of disappeared just for a little bit. And if you could keep me in your prayers, it would be forever grateful. Even as I sit here and record this, I'm sitting in the store. I packed some orders that need to be shipped out. Put together some orders that need to be picked up, that people did or in-store pickup. It has been a real rough last 2 months. Even with all the good things that have happened, sales have been slower than I anticipated or desired and needed. But I am still trying to make it, still trying to maintain. And this video isn't really long. Again, like I said, this channel was going to be my diary. It was going to be letting you guys see me go through just everything. All of the emotions, the wins, the losses, smiles, sadness, stress, being overwhelmed. Today is Sunday, I think February 23rd. I went to church. Had a great time at church. Tears, laughs, all of the things. Even talked to one of the sisters at the church, and she really encouraged me a lot. And yeah, as I just sit here in the store by myself, I am trying to remember my why, focus on my why, so that I don't give up, I don't quit. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.